Hey, welcome back to the channel, Oldies on the Road. And if you just stumbled across the channel, I'm Rob, and together with Raewyn, we're bumbling our way around our beautiful country, Aotearoa, New Zealand, having a laugh, creating memories in our too big for us fifth wheeler. We're hanging around our hood for a while, enjoying family, helping friends, and generally settling into life on the road, but also enjoy taking off exploring for a week or so. In this episode, we have storms, devastating landslides, whanau fun, eels, fishing, work, friends, play, a couple of oh shit moments. Let's just get into it. After a bit of hard work at Vix and Rotorua, we escaped to Welcome Bay NZMCA Park, where we hung out and helped a mate Brian install a 1000-watt solar inverter system in his fifth wheeler. The solar install wasn't without incident. Much to mate Brian's amusement, I found a wasp nest in his locker door handle. Shit, I forgot how bloody painful a wasp sting was. And on top of it, I walked into the solid steel pin of the fifth wheeler. More blood. But hey, I was rewarded for my efforts with a nice bottle of whiskey. Definitely worth the work, pain and the blood. We got most of our chores done and decided to move to one of our favourites, Otamarako POP. A great spot close enough to the mountain Papamoa and an opportunity to visit Whanau at the great city of Taniatua. While we were there, I installed the throttle control to the ute, and holy wow, what a difference it made. So much more response when towing the beast. Maybe more about that later. You always love walking on the beach, and you just never know what you're going to find.
This is my size. If I can find the other one, I'll have a pair and I'll be a winner.
It's so cool to get visitors. No, it's not a delivery, it's a surprise visit from Michael. It had already started raining, but then all hell broke loose. Wind and rain warnings and a state of emergency declared in the bay. We had a real sleeper's rock and rolling frightening night, watching police and service vehicles on the road near us. The next morning we heard of the tragic landslides at the mountain Welcome Bay. Bloody sad, that's for sure.
My coffee?
A bit of laundry, and us when the clothes aren't dry after the dryer finishes. Oh, damn. This beach is lacking shells, isn't it? Well, that bird's dead.
And woohoo! We got a pair! Woo! Look at that! They're even Adidas! Woo!
And we're off to visit Whanau in the great city of Taniatua. We wondered how come there'd be no trains in the last couple of days, and there's the reason: the storm had washed the line away. Whoa! We were blown away when all of our amazing whānau arrived to see us. What an amazing time we had. Thank you guys so much for making the effort. I was back home for evening walks on the beach before entertaining our girls the next day. Cool fun in the park, Mrs. Whippy, then Anera joined us for a Macca's lunch and a $2 shop treat. We just love to spoil the grandkids.
Oh look, there's a Mrs. Whippy truck.
Mrs. Whippy.
Quickly go and pick one out. Quick.
The last time I was here with you, a Mr. Whippy truck was here. And we were sitting back here.
Right,
and there was a birthday party going on.
Did I mention we're parked next to the train tracks? Not a problem when you're old and deaf. Yep, it was fishing time. Let's get that drone into action. We absolutely love Otamarako. Great views, fishing, beach walks, and so close to Papamoa, and in the other direction Whakatane, and all for $10 a night. We always have fun feeding the fish, but hey, we caught a couple of keepers, so yep, fish for tea. Yeah, Temu deliveries even when you're on the road. Yum, more baking. Now the reasons I make these videos are the fact I enjoy making them. It keeps our memories alive and lets family and friends see what we're up to. Usually we get 50 or 60 views, but in one episode we got 720. What the hell? I couldn't see anything different about it. It was just as boring as the others, but there you go. Nanny and Papa love it when granddaughters Anira and Benna come for a sleepover. What a cool couple of days of entertainment. Fun on the beach, eels. I didn't know that eels swam thousands of kilometres to spawn and their babies return to the same spot their mothers came from. Unbelievable.
Oh, they're not. They're weird and slippery, but cute. Looking for salmon. Let him get it now, Nira. I'm going. Hang on now. Bye.
Bye, Nanny.
Whoa, that's a big one. You have it right. Good job. Good job. Up.
You fell in.
Got it.
No, throw the stick on then. No.
The girls are always made to sing for their supper. A good feed from aunties in Matata. Then we returned to Welcome Bay NZMCA Park, and hell, what a shock. The park is in the same area as the tragic landslide where 2 people sadly passed away. You can see that landslides very near the park caused damage to nearby properties, the shed taken out and mud and water entering a house. The park was closed for a few days while a clean-up took place. Credit to the volunteer custodians who did the hard graft to get the park open again. There's a few alterations to the back of the park, a new ring road to make parking and entry and exit easier, and one of the local residents, a masked lapwing. Always something to do in our storage unit. Note the mural on the op shop fence. The trunks of the trees behind the fence are painted on the fence. Now ain't that just clever? You remember I gave ex-neighbour, a hand to install a 1000-watt solar system complete with 3K inverter. Well, it's test time. Brian, Jules and Cheeky are coming to visit and test the system out. A spot beside us is reserved. And here they come. Whoops, forgot to chock the van wheels, and on release from the truck it rolled off and smashed into the ute. Oh dear, an expensive lesson. Brian just plugged the outlet from the inverter into the power inlet for the van and powers the whole van from the inverter. And a little bit of help there to go with it. That is cool. And there we are. Cool rig. Cheeky was the star of the show, especially when Anira and Benna had a sleepover. Brian has been here 5 minutes and I still haven't got a beer. How rude. Jules, of course, supplied us with the finest of cuisine. Oh, no flies on that girl. And yep, we had a turn of cooking, so out with the Weber and a delicious roast of pork was produced. Next day, Brian, Jules and Cheeky departed and we dropped the girls home. What an awesome couple of days we had. Before leaving Welcome Bay, we had a couple of jobs to do. We visited good old Specsavers and Rain picked up new glasses, reading and sunnies. I picked up another drone, a Neo 2. Hey, the boy has to have his toys. We also looked at a replacement sofa bed for the van. On the way back to the park, this old bus had broken down and was blocking the road. Poor bugger. At this stage, we broke camp and headed for the Mount Airport dump station, where it was entertainment unlimited. Then it was off to Te Araha for our next adventure. I'm sure I saw the Eiffel Tower on the hill. We went bike riding on the Hauraki Trail, find out where you get the best feed on the way, checking out historic local hot pools, exploring the town, and it was cool. A bit more gardening and Rotorua, more bloody rain, and of course playing with the new drone, and surely more fishing. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed us oldies bumbling along having a laugh on our adventures. We'll see you on the road. You just take care now.